If you're looking for a flexible and beautiful way to plan your week, this weekly hourly planner is exactly what you need. Whether you're juggling work, personal goals, habits, or self care, this template gives you a clear and structured space to stay on track, hour by hour, day by day. Let's take a look at how it works and how it can help you organize your entire week in one place. This planner includes 3 sheets, one for each year: 2024, 2025, and 2026, each with a built in dynamic calendar. At the top, there's a drop down menu where you can select any month. Once selected, the calendar updates automatically. No formulas or setup required. The layout features a soft, welcoming design in shades of pink and lavender. It's not only functional, but also enjoyable to use, perfect for digital planning or printing out and adding to your binder or journal. Each weekly sheet is divided into several key sections. At the top, you'll find space for your weekly priorities, 5 fields where you can focus on what matters most this week. This is a great place to list goals, deadlines, events, or personal intentions, anything you want to keep top of mind. Just below that is the weekly tasks block, a to-do list with checkboxes so you can mark things off as you go. Whether it's errands, work tasks, or reminders, it's easy to stay accountable and visually track your progress. Next is a dedicated habits tracker. You can list the habits you're working on, like daily walks, drinking enough water, or reading, and track them across all 7 days of the week. Checking them off day by day helps you build consistency and stay motivated. There's also a notes section at the bottom, perfect for capturing thoughts, plans, or things to follow up on. Use it for journaling, ideas, shopping lists, or anything else you don't want to forget. Now let's move into the daily planning section, the core of the planner. The week is laid out in 7 vertical columns, one for each day, starting from Monday. Of course, you can easily adjust this if Sunday start fits your routine better. At the top of each day, there's space for your top 4 priorities, the main tasks, appointments, or goals for that day. For example, Monday might include do laundry, call mom, pick up package meal prep for tomorrow. Then comes the half-hourly schedule starting from 5 a.m. and running to midnight in 30-minute increments. This gives you the flexibility to plan early mornings, detailed work blocks, lunch breaks, evening events, or downtime. You can write directly into each time slot, or even merge cells if your activity spans 1 or 2 hours, like meetings, travel, deep work, or workouts. For example, from 9 to 11 a.m., you might block out time for team strategy session, or from 7 to 8:30 p.m., dinner and unwind. This structure helps you visualize how your day is distributed and where your time actually goes. And of course, all text and layout elements are fully editable. You can change fonts, colors, language, category titles, or even duplicate sheets to make your own versions. This planner is ideal for students organizing classes and study time, busy professionals structuring meetings and tasks, parents managing household and family activities, or anyone who wants a mindful balance of structure and flexibility. And the best part? It's completely free to use. Just click the link in the description to download the file, copy it into Google Sheets, or print it out and start planning your week with purpose, clarity, and ease.